Hi everybody. It's been a while, quite a while, but we are announcing that we are now
back.
Well done. Not even scripted. She's very good. So it's been about a year since we posted any recipes, etc. on Big Oggie World, but we've been really busy in the background, and TikTok took off for me, and it's kind of taken off for you now as well. So that's kind of happening. And we're setting up a business right now called the Big Oggie Creative Network, which is all about different clothing and hoodies, t-shirts, merchandise with positive affirmations and fun styles, and for people with various mental health issues, hidden disabilities, and people who support those people.
Or you just like a good slogan.
Just like a good slogan. Yeah, there's a few of them. So we have been really, really busy, but we are now back for you, and we are starting with a lovely recipe for
baked rice pudding with vanilla and nutmeg.
Very nice. We're going to do quicker videos for you, 5 to 10 minutes at max, and hopefully easier to understand. Yeah, all good home cooking, but we are back. Kelly will do most of that.
Because we're working to a budget, guys.
We are. And I'll make a mess in the kitchen sometimes, but I'll also be doing some foodie reviews, etc. Probably in a kind of vertical version, so it'll be like for TikTok, and we'll put them on here as shorts. All right? See you all soon, everybody.
Bye.
It's great to be back.
Bye-bye.
Thank you for your patience.